I'm Jewel Brunel. I am Dean of the College of Agriculture here at Virginia State University, and today we're hosting AgTech.
The reason we're here today is to explore innovation in agriculture. The opportunities here for students is really endless, right? Whether that's drones or machine learning or cybersecurity, there are a number of careers in agriculture. It's not just the traditional jobs anymore. There's a lot more out there.
My favorite activity was definitely the escape room today. It was so interactive. The clues were specific to dairy, whereas you learned a lot of lingo from the field, and I like that.
We got first place for our CTF. We did every challenge, did everything well. For those who don't know, CTFs are capture the flags, which are cybersecurity challenges in a Jeopardy style to find the flag. This was a very good challenge. I liked it a lot.
One of the booths, it was these high schoolers actually. They were teaching people how to pick locks, because on farms sometimes you might lose the key to a fence and you need to get there. That pretty I-word internships for the college and high school students. Today we actually learned about that. High schoolers can get internships with the USDA.
This summer, we're actually doing a project with Virginia State University at our farm. We're actually having students come, putting the collars on the cattle. We've got GPS ear tags with solar panels built into the ear tags. This technology allows us to raise them more effectively and efficiently and more profitably.
The kids seemed very excited about 3D printing. A lot of them didn't understand the technique, or at least the workflow that you go through with 3D printing. So I was able to kind of illustrate that workflow, kind of walk them through it, and then give them some opportunities to actually print.
We're seeing the average age of farmers continuing to get older and older, but in order to be attractive for that next generation to come back to the farm, this generation of farmers, we want a little bit more of a balanced lifestyle. We don't mind working hard, but we also want to go on vacation with our families and hang out with friends. And so with the technology, we can actually manage more effectively.
This is a day that I think we need to have at more schools. Not only do we need to educate our high school students about technologies related to agriculture and why it's so important, but also we can expose them to all the new career opportunities that they can have in agriculture that utilize STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math.
If folks are interested in having AgTech there, learning how can they bring it to their schools, please reach out. There's a lot more to agriculture than just farming, right? A lot more opportunities, and this is where they're going to get their start.